Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a simple kitchen basin is drawing here, and today this you can see here easily. This kitchen basin is a simple and learn here all process, create a design, use in CATIA, and this is a use in CATIA software, and this kitchen basin is drawing here simply, and all process is learn here one by one. Okay, and this is a view is a multi view is drawing here. Okay, and this is a kitchen basin is a back side. Okay, this is a perfect, all is a looking perfect. Okay, this is a nice looking here. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect isometric view is. Okay guys, one by one is drawing here. This is a simple looking here. Okay, at first start a mechanical design and use part. Okay, okay guys, at first select a plane is a XY plane, and draw here drawing a center rectangle. Okay, center rectangle is drawing here, and mention dimension is a 2 10. Okay, and 140. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and click a corner is a okay, no corner is used here because this is a raw material is used here. Okay, pad command is used here, and pad is a 72. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, this is a raw material is a okay, and use this face and apply here. Okay, this is a perfect. A rectangle is draw here. Okay, this is a corner rectangle. This is a rectangle is simple drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and use a corner, and this is a corner is a 16 is correct. Okay, okay, and mention any dimension is a this is a okay, this bit height, and okay, this is a perfect. This length and this length is a okay, this is a okay, okay, this okay, at first okay, this is a undo is okay, this is control Z is not work, undo is apply here. Okay, 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 this is a okay, 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 at first select this line and this line, and right click here and use a allow symmetry line, and this is a this line is a okay, symmetry is perfect. Okay, okay, and then a corner is this all is a select here, and 16 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect, and mention any dimension is okay, and this dimension okay, this is a okay, this is a correct. This dimension is a looking perfect, and also this is a this dimension is a correct. Okay, all is maintained here. 110 is correct, and this is a 20 is perfect, and also 20 is perfect. Okay, all is correct, but this is a 120 is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. 25 is correct. Okay, 25 is correct here, and 22 is better. Okay, and okay, correct, and okay, exit, and use a pocket, and this is a 62 is correct. Pocket is a 62 is perfect, and also use a edit. This face is edit a 20 millimeter. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and also edit is a this is a 10 is correct. Okay, 10 is more, but 6 is better. Okay, perfect, and this face click a sketch drawing a center rectangle. Okay, center rectangle is drawing here. This is a draw a this. Okay, mention dimension, this dimension and this dimension is a okay, this is a perfect. This is a 194 is correct, and this is a 130 is correct. Okay, 196 is better, and also 132 is correct. Okay, looking perfect. Okay, this is a 198, and this is a 134. Okay, 132. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit, and pocket is used here, and this is a 5 is correct. Okay, this is a 6 is better. Okay, correct, and again this face is sketch drawing a elongated hole, and any create a design. Okay, this is a so nice and looking so perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and click a translate 8 is a correct, 8, and click this and draw a this is a correct. Okay, looking so nice, draw here. Okay, this is a 8 is this 9 10 is also perfect, and looking so nice. Okay, this is a correct, and exit. Okay, and pocket is use a pocket is 6. This direction is a downward, reverse direction is correct. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, and this is a edit a edge fillet 1 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, fillet is use a 1 millimeter, and click one by one is this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this is a clear here, Okay, zoom all is a perfect. Edit one, click this, not all, select here, one by one is click a separate. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, so nice looking here. And this is a 1 by 1.2 is 1.5 is correct. Okay, this is a looking super. And again select a fillet is a 1. Also select this face and separate, click here, 1 by 1 is separate, is click here, not a all is select. Okay, this is a looking so perfect. Okay, and again select this sketch, and this is a circle is a draw here midpoint. Okay, this is a okay, looking so nice. And click a, this is a, and direction is upward, back, this reverse direction is correct. Okay, and okay, this is a click here, and this is a up to last. Okay, okay, and use a cell command, and this 1 by 1 all face is select here, and then click a extra part is remove here. Okay, and so nice, and click okay, this is a looking so perfect. Okay, this is a looking nice. Okay, isometric view is drawing here, and all is perfect. And select this face, click sketch, and this is a click a, this is a this, and again click a, this looking so perfect. Draw a, this is also drawing here. Okay, again select a, this is a this, all is perfect. Okay, click a, diameter is 10, again select a 10, 1 by 1 is click here, and all is diameter is 10. Okay, okay, all is diameter is, double click here, and diameter is edit here, this is a 10. Okay, okay, and change here this is a, okay, diameter is change, 12 is better, and this is also 12 is perfect. Okay, but this is a 10, and exit, and this is a correct. Okay, looking perfect. And this use a pocket, and pocket is direction is upward because direction is reverse, and preview is showing here, this is a looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct, all is perfect, and all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and multi-view is drawing here, all is correct. Okay, this is a so nice looking here, but this body is isometric, and use a material okay, material is apply here, and this is a so nice. Okay, metal and steel is correct, but this is all is correct. and this right click here and this property and select this is a reflectivity is very high, but this is a looking so nice, all is correct, and material is used here. Okay, this material is a looking so nice. Okay, this is a correct, apply here, this is a correct, this basin is a looking so nice. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, isometric view is drawing here, and this is a correct, and zoom in. Okay, looking so nice, this is a correct. Okay, drawing all is perfect, and multi view is draw here, this is a all is correct, and this is a back side face. Okay, all is correct, looking so perfect. Okay, this is a correct, all is so nice looking here. Okay, 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 guys, this kitchen basin is drawing here a simple drawing, all process is learn here easily. I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, next lecture is coming soon, and next product is a simple product, and then all is a product one by one is learn here, and all product are beautiful, so good product is learn one by one is discuss here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you.